Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Energy channel. Today we are going to start our spoken English class.
Hello everyone, good morning, nice to meet you. I am Rabi, an anchor of this program. Welcome to our talk show program. Today we are going to discuss on digital Bangladesh, and here you can see our respectable participants. Okay dear, let's get introduced with them. First of all, here is Mr. Khalid, a teacher on my in front. Next, here is Mr. Pratham, a student in front of me. Next, finally, here is Mr. Nafis, a student on in front of me. Hello. Okay, dear viewers, let's get start our today's talk show program on digital Bangladesh. Hello, Mr. Khalid. What do you think about our today's topic, please?
Okay, thanks for giving me a chance to say something about digital Bangladesh. Actually, I think digital Bangladesh is a buzzword to the people of Bangladesh. The government of Bangladesh has already declared that within 2021, Bangladesh will be a totally digitalized country. Actually, I think digital Bangladesh means every activity will be done with the help of computer or internet, and nowadays we can see that really we are doing many kind of work such as admission in any university. We can admit it ourselves with the help of internet, and then we can take part in any kind of exam with the help of internet, and different types of correspondence like business activity may be run with the help of internet, with the help of computer, and everything one day will come. Everything will be done with the help of only the computer. You can see the nowadays every kind of any kind of disease are analyzed with the help of any kind of disease are diagnosed with the help of computer. Yeah, in the education sector, where in the teaching learning activity we can do such type of activity with the help of computer. So we can hope that in every sector we are dependent on the computer, and in this age, in the era of globalization, nowadays distance aren't a factor. We can communicate with our friends or relatives living in another side of our planet. Suppose one of our friends, one of our relatives are living now in America or Russia or Kuwait. We need only 1 second to contact with her. Yeah. So you can see the communication is not a factor for the digitalization. So I think one day will come when there will be no work without the computer. Everything will be done with the help of computer. And that's all.
Well, next I am coming to Mr. Pratham. What do you think about it, please?
Thanks for asking. Actually, the word digital is the adjective for digit, meaning number or describes music, information, etc. And our season, our country is poor, and most of the people are illiterate. Our our our, our works are we we complete our work in computer. Computers word is O and I. O means off and I means on. And corruption is the hardest foot of the of the foot of the corruption is the hardest foot of the crack. And digital in 2021, our Bangladesh will completely digital Bangladesh, and then and then we say our country is digital Bangladesh. When our country is digital Bangladesh, then we improve our always, and then our countries improve in other countries. Then our countries improve, so we can many hard work in our country easily complete. And that's all.
Thanks a lot. Dear viewers, meanwhile we have know a lot about digital Bangladesh. This time I am coming to Mr. Nafis. Hello, Mr. Nafis. Do you support this? I mean, what's your opinion?
And thanks for asking. Actually, I think digital Bangladesh means making Bangladesh a country with digital governance based on modern technology. It can be made by ensuring ICT-based society. It will to us. Then making digital Bangladesh has many benefits. The most important thing are our time and money is being saved, and I think at present the people think globally our all possible activities are performed by computer, and it was the aim of Digital Bangladesh is to establish technology-based digital society, and I think it was very coming soon when our Bangladesh is called it from Digital Bangladesh, and we can hope that in near future our dream of Digital Bangladesh will come true, and that's all. Thank you.
Now I'm coming to Miss Shanta. Hello, Miss Shanta. What do you think about today's topic, please?
Thank you so much. Digital Bangladesh means an ICT-based Bangladesh where information is available online and where we can see our all of activities on computer, and we can see that our all of activities conducted by computers. In the 9th National Parliamentary Election Manifesto, Aum League is one of the leading political parties declared to develop Bangladesh into a digital country by 2021. Though Bangladesh became independent in 1971, I mean 45 years ago, but she is still budget with many problems like poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, etc. In order to solve this problem, the present government has aimed at making a digital Bangladesh. Now I can say that if we can establish a digital Bangladesh, it will open the doors for the people to improve their conditions. It will save the people's money and times, and that means we have a large opportunity. That's all.
Thank you so much. Fine. Hello, dear viewers. Meanwhile, we have know a lot about digital Bangladesh, and this is very important topic, and we all should come forward to develop our country and to present a real digital Bangladesh. Okay, dear. No more today. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and pardon me, please. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.